How to check if a key exists in a JavaScript object. How do I check if a particular key exists in a JavaScript object or array? If a key doesn't exist, and I try to access it, will it return false, or throw an error? Checking for undefinedness is not an accurate way of testing whether a key exists. What if the key exists but the value is actually undefined? var obj equals key undefined obj key equals undefined false, but the key exists. You should instead use the in operator. Key in obj true, regardless of the actual value. If you want to check if a key doesn't exist, remember to use parenthesis, comma key in obj true if key doesn't exist in object, key in obj error, equivalent to false in obj. Or, if you want to particularly test for properties of the object instance, and not inherited properties, use has own property, obj has own property, key, true. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.